seems the end war you warned of has begun. Tell me, old friend, what is it you have learned?
I have witnessed the end of all things. Horrific legions of hybrid, raising world upon world. In the darkness, lording over them, a shadowy form. Amon.
Yet, you spoke of a way to stand against him.
This vision was a benevolent one, as if an ancient voice called out from beyond. The Keystone shall usher you unto hope.
Keystone?
I saw a burst of light revealing the xel'naga artifact on the Terran world of Korhal. It is the keystone of this vision. The prophecies speak of xel'naga standing against Amon in the end times. I believe this keystone will guide us to them.
I have always trusted you, Zeratul, but the burdens of leadership demanded much of me. There are times I am uncertain whether I was truly ready for such weight.
Your doubt is unfounded, young Artanis. You must embrace what you have become, if you are to be the leader we now need.
You will go to James Raynor on Korhal and receive this keystone. I will marshal our forces for the war ahead. When you return, the Templar will be ready. Entaro Tassadar, old friend.
Entaro Artanis, brother.
Zeratul, you must secure the xel'naga keystone from James Raynor. My forces will reactivate the Spear of Adun, a warship that will be invaluable in the battles ahead. May Tassadar's shadow hide you, my friend.
Seeker lies in ruins. What has transpired here?
Zerg, protect the Dark Prelate.
The Zerg in this area should have been eradicated. Stalkers, hurry to the Nexus point nearby and warn our brethren. I must investigate this further.
I am the heart of darkness. Very well. It shall be. The enemy surrounds us. Proceed with caution. So, for now. Very wise. For the reckoning. We move unseen. We will have to blink across this chasm. For the reckoning. We move unseen. It shall be as you say. Very well. Mutalisks. Focus particle disruptors upon them. Speak thy will. Very wise. Cold is the void. Acquire my skills. Veraku. I serve for now.
Zeratul, the Templar stationed here. I can no longer sense them within the Kala.
Is that not impossible? Your kind cannot disappear from the Kala, unless your nerve cords are severed.
Then the impossible has happened. I can no longer sense Artanis. There is only a void in the Kala where he should be.
The shadow moves against us, Executor. Artanis is in grave peril.
You must raise an army and find him. My Phase-Smith Karax will help you re-establish this nexus point. Zeratul, save Artanis.
You have not enough minerals. Dark Prelate Zeratul. I am Karax of the Kalai caste.
Friend Karax, we must establish this nexus as quickly as possible.
Zeratul. We move unseen. State thy bidding.
You must construct additional pylons.
A void pylon. It should be able to summon my Nerazine brothers.
Dark Prelate, we answer your call.
You can warp in? Excellent. You should train additional warriors to deal with larger enemy threats.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
It shall be as you say.
You have not enough minerals.
You require my skills.
To warp in more stalkers, you will require Vespene gas from the geyser near your mineral fields. Order a probe to warp in an assimilator on top of the geyser.
I am the void. Sting.
You have not enough minerals.
Cold is the void. For reckoning. Intriguing.
You have not enough minerals.
Let our enemy
The assimilator requires 3 probes to harvest at maximum efficiency.
I am the heart of darkness.
You have not enough minerals.
Very well. Let our enemy know our fury.
The Nexus Point has been re-established. Once your warriors are ready, you should proceed with your mission, Dark Prelate.
I am the voice of the eclipse. It shall be as you say. We move unseen. Intriguing. Zeratul. Let our enemy know our fury. For the reckoning. We are one with the shadows. I serve. I am here in the shadows. We move unseen. Very wide.
You must construct additional pylons.
Intriguing. It shall be as you say.
You must construct additional pylons.
Cold is the void.
We stand unified.
Very well.
You must construct additional pylons.
Zeratul.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
We embrace embrace the glory of battle!
State.
Zeratul, the Zerg are moving to attack. Rally your defenses.
Very wise.
We embrace my life for battle! My meditation is over. For Artanis, on guidance.
We move unseen here.
There, another void pylon.
We are at your service, Zeratul. Heart of darkness.
We stand unified.
Cold is the void.
Zeratul, denier of the Kala.
Very wise.
These zealots have been corrupted. The hybrid must be behind this. Let us move with purpose.
I am here in the shadows. Intriguing.
You have not enough minerals.
Cold is the void.
I like for iron.
We are one with the shadows.
This appears to be the last void pylon in the area.
From the shadows we come. Darkness. We move on. I am the voice of the
Orange.
Let our enemy know our fury.
Tara Tassagar. My life for iron. We are the blades of iron. By your will. My meditation is over. For Artanis.
You require my skills.
And Tara Tassagar. Ula Sadari. Kassar de Templari. My life for iron. Honor guides me. And Tara Tassagar. Kassar de Templari. For Artanis. Ula Sadari. Justice. By your will. Honor guides me. By your will. Executor Celendus, I have encountered your missing Templar, but they have been corrupted, as if possessed. Celendus.
Zeratul, I can sense your presence. The Kala is filled with rage. My mind is being consumed.
Artanis, you must hold on. We are coming for you.
Your lives are meaningless, purposeless. I grant you salvation.
Amon, the dark god Amon is here, on Aiur. He has wrested control of the Kala. The Templar have fallen. With our nerve cords severed, only we Nerazim remain unaffected. It falls to us to halt this madness, brothers.
Shozak Maknul.
We must reach young Artanis. I only pray that we are not too late.
Voices. Whisper of oblivion. Of salvation.
I shall find a way. The prophecy guides us.
And Haruki Rashaba.
Kala. Fury. And rage.
Honor commands.
We must not hesitate.
I can hear his whispers.
Fight, Artanis. Do not let Amon consume you.
Unending hatred.
He has corrupted the Kala. Your nerve cords chain you to his will. They must be removed.
Zeratul.